So guys, I am here with my next video. As I said that I would tell you the factors triggering acne. So you should know the factors triggering acne so that you can prevent acne and help others by telling these factors so that they can also prevent acne. Today I am going to tell you about the factors triggering means causing acne. So let's start. First factor is stress. Mental and physical stress can affect hormones and lead to more acne in both sexes. Second is vitamin deficiency. Inadequate levels of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, E, D, and zinc impair the skin immunity, thereby making your skin more susceptible to acne. Third is diet. A high glycemic index diet worsens acne, like honey, donuts, french fries, white rice, white bread, and so on. Fourth factor is hot and humid climate. Hot and humid climate aggravates acne. Sweat evaporates more slowly because of the humidity levels in the air, and sebaceous glands work overtime due to the heat. This combination of condition leads to pores clogging and pimples forming. Fifth is people who works with oils, for example cooking food, or chemicals like hydrocarbons trigger acne. Including this, UV rays from the sun can trigger or worsen acne. These rays can increase inflammation and redness and can cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Dandruff and greasy scalp. Dandruff and excess oil can clog the skin pores, causing jets and pimples. Dandruff is one of the most common causes of forehead acne. People with oily scalp are also prone to have acne on the forehead, upper chest, and the back. In addition to it, external application of oils, harmful chemicals in makeup causes acne from eruptions. Ninth and last is misuse of steroid cream on the face without medical supervision can cause severe acne in the longer run, making it difficult to treat. And now I am going to tell you the foods which you should avoid during acne. First is refined grains and sugars. People with acne tend to consume more refined carbohydrates than people with little or no acne. Foods rich in refined carbohydrates include bread, crackers, cereals, or desserts made with white flour, pasta made with white flour, white rice and rice noodles, sodas and other sugar-sweetened beverages, sweetness like cane sugar, maple syrup, honey. One study found that people who frequently consumed added sugars had a 30% greater risk of developing acne, while those who regularly ate pastries and cakes had a 20% greater risk. Second is dairy products. Many studies have found a link between milk products and acne severity in teenagers. Two studies also found that young adults who regularly consume milk or ice cream were 4 times more likely to suffer from acne. Third is fast food. Acne is strongly associated with eating a Western style diet rich in calories, fat, and refined carbohydrates. Fast food items such as burgers, french fries, sodas, and milkshakes are mainstays of a typical Western diet and may increase acne risk. One study of over 5,000 Chinese teenagers and young adults found that high-fat diets were associated with a 43% increased risk of developing acne. Regularly eating fast food increased risk of developing acne. Fourth is whey protein powder. Whey protein is a popular dietary supplement. It is a rich source of the amino acids leucine and glutamine. These amino acids make skin cells grow and divide more quickly, which may contribute to the formation of acne. The amino acids in whey protein can also stimulate the body to produce higher levels of insulin, which has been linked to the development of acne. Several case studies have reported a link between whey protein consumption and acne in male athletes. Fifth is the foods you are sensitive to. Food sensitivities occur when your immune system mistakenly identifies food as a threat and launches an immune attack against it. This results in high levels of pro-inflammatory molecules circulating throughout the body, which may aggravate acne. Instead of these foods, you can eat foods which contains vitamin A, D, E and zinc. These nutrients play crucial roles in skin and immune health and may help prevent acne. You can also take green tea because green tea contains polyphenols that are associated with reduced inflammation and lower sebum production. Green tea extracts have been found to reduce acne severity when applied to the skin. So guys, these are the foods which you should avoid and which you should take if you are suffering from acne. So that's all in this video. In this video, I have told you about the factors triggering acne and the food which you should avoid and which you should take if you are suffering from acne. I'll come back with my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.